Hi, JALT 2020 conference goers. My name is Zack Robertson, and in this presentation, I'm going to demonstrate how I've used the mobile application Pear Deck to train my university's students to give more productive peer feedback. The talk is divided into two parts. I'll start by briefly covering some relevant concepts related to peer review, then move on to the application itself, explaining how I use it to conduct research-supported peer feedback training sessions with my students. This presentation should be useful for those seeking to get more out of peer review activities held in their classes, and for those who are not familiar with Pear Deck, introduce a technology that will allow your students to make more productive use of their smartphones during class. The explanation will include demonstrations from different types of activities, which will hopefully give you an idea of how you can incorporate this approach into your own teaching. I'll also be sure to mention how some of these practices were adapted to Zoom classrooms to ensure that you'll be able to incorporate them into your teaching regardless of what next year holds. I hope to see you there.